Big up the bar, I want to you. I see a black man a black. Big up the man, black man. Make the man straighten up the man thing.
Today we there with
Renee.
Miss Renee. What your experience with Hurricane Melissa?
Why? The hurricane I mash up everything. The whole life farm mash up everything gone. Farmer go take months and months to come back. Road damage, house stop damage, everything damage. All now we not see no government people come, we not see nobody come. So we want to know what go on. And we the citizens have to clear the road and do what we have to do. So we want to know what go on, and we think some representative would have come around and a very long time, but we there wait still and do what we have to do and do what go on. You see it?
You get no damage personally?
Only the farm. Not house wise, but the farm. Just the farm. So everything blew down on the farm. Every single thing. So breadfruit tree, banana planting, tomato, melon, pumpkin, everything damaged. So we don't know what go on. Famine I got the on the land.
Hey, that people, we need help. Mr. Government, we need help. I remember, don't be evil. Stop separate the people. Watch views of the people. I'm out.